Hi everyone, in this short video tutorial I'll show you how to use Adobe Photoshop to remove small distracting elements from your photo. So in this particular example, as you can see, there is this white object which is sticking out from the subject's head. It is really distracting and makes this photo look a little bit unprofessional. So ideally, I'd like to remove this object from this photo. So let's have a look at the final result, which I have already done. So this is it, before and after. And now let's go ahead and see how you can do it as well. Alright, so what I've done now, I just duplicated the original layer. And let's go and zoom into the subject slightly. And to remove the subject, I will simply use the spot healing brush tool. So you can access this tool by pressing the key J on your keyboard. And once you've done that, simply increase the size of the brush to match your the size of the object that you'd like to remove. And next, all you need to do is essentially brush over this object, like so. As you can see, the object is being removed very easily. So now I will just brush like so. Alright, and we need to be quite precise in this part here because the object was touching the subject's head, and if we will brush not very precisely, you will be able to see that there was some kind of photo manipulation in this photo. So just decrease the size of your brush and try to do it as precisely as possible. Alright, see, in this particular case it didn't really work, so let me try again. Sometimes it works better, sometimes it doesn't work as you would like. So, okay, again, let me try and maybe do something like that. Nope. Don't like the result, but don't worry, we'll get there. Okay, let's try a slightly different approach. Let's select the clone stamp tool. You can press the button S on your keyboard to access this tool. Now we just need to pick the reference point that we will use to clone and remove this white strip. So on my Mac, I need to press the button Option to select a reference point. Okay, so this is what I've done. Okay. Now I'll just decrease the size of the brush and okay, so that's it really. As you can see, the object was removed successfully, so before and after. Obviously you can spend a lot more time and do it really precisely, but I think you get the idea of how to do it. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.